Imagine waking up to the gentle rhythm of the Pacific, the sun casting golden hues across the vast breathtaking ocean view right from your private lanai. This isn't just a vacation, it's an escape to Kona Mansions 123, a crafted 1,000 square foot haven in the heart of Kailua Kona, on the big island of Hawaii. Picture yourself preparing gourmet meals in your fully equipped kitchen, the aroma mingling with the fresh Hawaiian air. 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms provide ample space for your family or friends, while the in-unit washer and dryer ensure effortless comfort. The private pool is a sparkling oasis, beckoning you to unwind after a day of island adventures. Forget the stress of travel. With complimentary parking, high-speed Wi-Fi, cable TV, and seamless self-check-in via smart locks, your arrival is as smooth as the Kona breeze. Our dedicated team of professional housekeepers guarantees a pristine environment, with fresh, luxurious linens awaiting your touch. Kailua Kona is more than a destination, it's an experience. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of world-renowned beaches, explore lush rainforests teeming with life, and immerse yourself in the laid-back, welcoming atmosphere that defines the Big Island. Kona Mansions 123 places you at the epicenter of it all, a tranquil retreat just moments from vibrant shops, exquisite dining, and unforgettable excursions. Envision creating memories that will last a lifetime, snorkeling with vibrant marine life, witnessing the raw power of Volcanoes National Park, or marveling at majestic whales breaching the ocean's surface. Kona Mansions 123 isn't just a place to stay, it's the catalyst for extraordinary moments. Don't just dream of paradise, live it. Secure your reservation at Kona Mansions 123 today and unlock the true essence of the Aloha spirit. Your Hawaiian adventure awaits. Mahalo.